experiments with foaming compounds, actually, to try to see if we could somehow use the active elements
Close
in
the
the
door. It's not Boromir. This is gonna work. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but this will work. Oops, no, don't go in here. Are being picked off one by one.
What was that?
Clean it out, clean it out. I mean, would they give you like 2 rooms to work with? It's just so clean. They're not even gonna freak out because I can hide all the bodies in here.
Wow.
Wow.
I heard that.
Better check it out.
Oh, freaky.
Freaky. Can you come closer? No!
角巻きじゃんけんスタート